What's up guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today in this video I'm going to teach you guys how to grow on Twitch. So guys, there is no any such software or something like that to grow rapidly in Twitch, but you know what you can do. So growing on Twitch means that you're getting a lot of followers, a lot of people asking for you, searching for you, watching your live. So what people need, what are the requirements, so that you have to check and you have to fulfill. So let's say I'm watching any of these videos. So why am I watching? That's because I'm interested on that particular topic. So what you have to do is you have to dig deep, like just create a content, let's say a gaming content, and see the viewers, or let's say what game is mostly famous right now. So let's say Fortnite is being famous. So come on, go and stream Fortnite gameplays, guys, to see how the audience enjoy it. So what you have to do another is you have to make great content. You have to like collaborate with new streamers as well, and that's how you can grow. Just show your best graphics, just show your best talents on Twitch, then people will start following you, people will talk about you more. That's how you can grow on Twitch. So guys, that's pretty much. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. Like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. And also comment for more reviews and more contents like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.